Hey everyone, this is Shirley and this is Deliberate Cooking. I'd like to welcome you guys back and thank you for supporting my channel on the last video, giving me the thumbs up, leaving me a comment. I really do appreciate it. And make sure if you can do the same on this one, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, share if you like, subscribe if you haven't. Okay, just finished washing my hands, and what you're looking at is I'm going to make this vegetable soup here. Things are going bad for us vegetables because I haven't been moving quick enough, because it's a little difficult when the recipe calls for meat, and it's a little discouraging, but I'm trying to get it done. I'm not complaining. I know it sounds like I am at times, but I'm not. So far what I've did is I sauteed some celery. My light is not good. Celery and some carrots. I blanched some string beans. I didn't add the onions because I don't eat them. And so what I have here, and I don't have ground beef, but I'm going to put in this texturized protein. You guys seen me work with this before. Oh, that's a lot. I didn't think it was that much. Anyway, so I'm going to let that get a little brown. Then we're going to put it all together. Okay, so this has gotten brown a little bit. And just let it sit, and then, ooh, too brown. Too brown. Okay, good enough. Then I'm going to put in my sauteed carrots. Now this is a funny soup because it doesn't have any liquid in it. It doesn't look like it has any liquid. Let's see. I don't see anything that says water. Let's see. Okay, now I'm going to put these in since they're already blanched. It didn't say to blanch it, but I just could not see myself just stir frying them in. I mean, sometimes I like crunchy, you know. Today I'm not feeling crunchy. Today is not a crunchy day for me. I am feeling. Let's just make sure I have it done as much as I can without being soggy. I guess that's the word, or overcooked. So I did that. Now it says to add the tomato sauce, which is here. Oh shoot! Start a fire, girl. Oh, I forgot to cut the lamb. Okay. Pull you guys up again. When I pull you up, there's between the this little cook stove top, there's a little static I noticed. Okay, it came with one pack, but there was two. I told you everything was double, so. I'm just going to use both of them. Okay. Let's stir this up. It looks very interesting. I'm supposed to put in the seasoning. Let that cook for a minute. Seasoning, and then I don't want to put too much. I did put some pepper on the other items. I don't want to put too much salt. My blood pressure went down, you guys. I'm so happy. Okay, well, it was looking pretty good. It went up for a minute, and then a little bit of salt. It's been at a stable level. So I like that. So what I'm going to do is let this cook for a few minutes, and we'll top it with the cheese, put a little seasoning in it. We got some packaged seasoning here, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I'm back. You know, there's nothing on here to say add water. It's saute, stir in the beef if I was doing the beef, and then the green and the tomato cream, and oh, here we go. I'm sorry, I see it now. And 1/2 cup of boiling water. Okay, I see it. Eyes be moving, bouncing, girl. Okay, you guys, our vegetable soup is boiling. I think I might have just a little bit too much of that texturized protein in it. We are going to throw our cheese on it. I'm pretty sure the cheese should go. Put our cheese on it. That's a lot of cheese. It doesn't look like it. Yeah, I have 2 packs too. Okay, I think okay, let's let that melt for a second. Let's see. Okay, there we go. How do you guys, what do you think? That is Green Chef. Okay, it smells really good. I think that's melted enough. There's another pack of cheese there from the other one. I'm gonna grab a bowl, a small bowl. I think this is probably one of those dishes that would be good with rice. Let's see how this tastes. This is gonna be hot. Uh-oh, you can't see it. Okay, so I think you can just add some more water to it, since I had 2 packages of that sauce. Let's see what this tastes like, you guys. Should I put it? No, I don't think I need any more cheese. Okay, let's go for presentation. Presentation? It's okay. It's okay. Let's go for taste. Presentation, I will give that a, I don't know, a thick soup, so I'll give it a 5. Let's see what it tastes like. It's really good. It is good. Vegetables are not crunchy, which is good. Just right. One more time. Okay. I hope it's hot. Woo! Taste. I would give that pretty good. That's pretty different taste. Never tasted soup like that, but I'll give it a 7. Presentation, in the pot it looks good, so I'll give it a 7. Texture, perfect. I'll give it a 10. Okay, you guys, thank you for being with me and taking the time to spend time with me, and I will see you on the next one. Try to eat the best you can. I know the way it looked like we may not even have food of what's going on in the world, so still try to incorporate some of the good stuff, you know, but definitely make sure you eat something good. Until next time, do something for yourself and somebody else. Bye bye.